Hello, sweet kids. Today we are going to find the letter B in the alphabet and put it in its place. Let's see, where is the letter B? Oh, it's in the bus cargo area. Here it is, we found the letter B. Now, let's all repeat together. B for ball. B for banana. B for bird. B for bear. B for book. Now let's put the letter B in its place. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.